Good.
Yeah, great.
What's your name?
My name is Christine.
My name is Gabriel. You know Gabriel.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Kamu lagi ngapain? Belum tidur ya?
Can you speak Indonesian?
Ya, I can speak Indonesia. You know Timor Leste? Ya, saya bisa bahasa Indonesia.
So near.
Ya.
So near.
Umur kamu berapa sih? Kamu coba saya tebak.
18.
16?
18 tahun.
18. Oh iya. Secantik kamu kalau main terus Ome TV ini nanti banyak orang yang mati nih kan.
No, I just want to improve my English. Yeah.
That's good. That's great, you know. I have to practice my English in here.
Me too.
My English is
It's
really
like-
bad, you know. I just learned 3 months ago. Now I can speak like a little bit better.
Daripada ini nggak ngapa-ngapain sih.
Betul sekali.
Timor Leste native language ya, nggak Inggris ya.
Kenapa?
Di Timor Leste
Ya.
pakai bahasa Inggris.
Enggak, bahasa di Timor Leste kita juga masih pakai bahasa Indonesia sama bahasa Tetung. Bahasa Tetung itu bahasa Timor Leste, bahasa sehari-hari itu Tetung, itu bahasa kami, bahasa. Emang kamu pernah tahu bahasa Tetung sebelumnya tidak?
No, never.
You want me to teach you?
Apa sih?
Ya.
Ya. Just go.
Dia kalai.
Dia kalai.
Ya.
What's mean?
Dia kalai itu maksudnya apa kabar?
I got it.
Ya.
Dia kalai.
Yeah, and then I said diak. Diak is means good, you know. Baik,
Ya,
baik.
great.
Oke, baik. Emang kamu mau ke sini ya? Mau cari pengalaman di sini ya?
Nah,
Sekarang itu yang terpenting kamu sekolah yang rajin.
ya. Karena juga rencananya mau study abroad.
Wow, that's good. We don't know.
Ya,
Maybe one day you can come to England, you know.
amen.
Maybe we don't know, right?
Can I ask something? Maybe it's like
No,
in Indonesia.
just asking is fine, you know.
I often hear about Timor Leste and Papua is the majority is Christian. Just asking.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
why asking?
In Timor Leste, most of us is like Catholic, you know, and then
Oh yeah.
we do have some like from Muslim, Buddhist, so but we respect each other, you know. We are Asian, we born like, you know, stick together, we don't compare with
Yes.
any other religion, we respect each other. So yeah, we only have one God, okay? So we just respect each other.
Yes.
We respect
Yeah.
other people way to pray to God, to dedicate God. We just respect them. Okay?
Yes.
This is how we grow as Asian people.
Just